Hey everyone, get ready to revolutionize your music creation. Did you know you can now generate incredible 30-second music tracks directly with Gemini Apps? It's all thanks to Lyria, our cutting-edge AI music generator. Imagine this, you simply use text or even upload photos and videos to describe the track you have in mind. Gemini Apps then brings your vision to life, creating unique music and lyrics just for you. It's super easy to get started. Just head over to gemini.google.com, click on Tools, then Create Music. From there, you can upload your context and enter your prompt. For example, you could say, create an intro track for my podcast about cats, or compose a lo-fi hip-hop beat with a chill, melancholic vibe and a simple piano melody. You can even ask it to write a nostalgic song about my hometown. When you're done, you can instantly download your completed track as an MP3 or MP4, or share it with friends and on social media. It's that simple, so what are you waiting for? Dive into the future of music creation with Gemini Apps. Follow at Nepal Tech Update Learn AI before it's too late.